Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a tropical fruit. It provides dietary fiber, manganese, and various antioxidants, contributing to overall health and well-being. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Pineapple. Pineapple. Pi. Na. Pol. Pineapple. Pineapple is an English origin word, first recorded in the late 14th century as a term for pine cones. The tropical fruit was later called pineapple due to its resemblance to a pine cone. They are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for the immune system, skin health, and antioxidant properties. If you enjoyed learning about pineapple, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.